Peace be with you, waiting. For nothing will be impossible with God. Luke 1:37. The importance of the spirituality of waiting in our life. A reflection on waiting from a spiritual perspective can be approached from two directions. Firstly, the waiting for God, and secondly, the waiting of God. We are waiting, God is waiting. The beginning of St. Luke's Gospel sets the scene for our thoughts on the waiting for God, while the final chapters of the same Gospel provide the landscape for reflection about the waiting of God. The story of Jesus' birth introduces us to 5 people who are waiting, and the names will be heard tomorrow. In our personal lives, waiting is not a popular pastime. Waiting is not something we anticipate or experience with great joy and gladness. In fact, most of us consider waiting a waste of time and filled with anxiety. Perhaps the culture in which we live says, get going, do something, make a difference, don't just sit there and wait. So, for us and for many, waiting is a dry desert between where we are and where we want to go. In our present situation, waiting is even more difficult because the air that we breathe and even meeting our own dear ones has become dangerous. One of the most universal emotions in and around us now is fear. Most of us are afraid of an unknown tomorrow. Those who live in a world of fear are more likely to make aggressive, hostile, and destructive responses than people who are calm and composed. The more afraid we are, the harder waiting becomes. Let us wait like Mother Mary, with a joy-filled heart. While we wait, let us believe, however fearful fear may be, Jesus Christ assures constantly, there is nothing that you and I cannot handle. Fear not, my child, I am with you always till the end of the world.